Yo, what's good, boys? Today we are doing a recap on the trade that I took, and as you can see, pretty much break even on the day on the new 50K account. So yeah, just going into the day, you can see that we swept these equal lows yesterday. Going into the day, I was looking for possibly a run lower, a short-term lower before we went higher. As you can see, we never did. We just engineered more sell side down here. So ended up sweeping those lows today, and with the reaction that it got right here, and on the 5-minute, it started to look pretty bullish in how we rejected from it. I started looking for buy side, specifically this area of liquidity up here, and it just, I mean, overall, all these highs are pretty clean. This is some solid LRLR. So yeah, so I was looking at trading this. Again, I'm still new to this model. I don't have an insane amount of confidence to know exactly if this is gonna hit, but I was pretty confident that we would at least play to this high. So this would have been a nice 1.6R trade. Stop loss a little bit under. If we were gonna push up this high and close pretty strongly, it was like about like a minute and a half until this 5-minute candle closed. About right here. I mean, that's pretty solid stop in my opinion. We're not going to inverse and break all this shit, run lower, and then continue higher. We're either going to fucking break all this shit, continue higher, or we're going to break all this shit, and then continue lower, and then just continue lower. We're not going to run my stop out and then continue higher, right? So this is a solid stop, and this would have been my full take profit, right? And obviously didn't take it. Kind of hesitated a bit, as well as I wasn't fucking confident in it, right? It's just more data and be able to collect over time, and yeah, so. With this trade, okay, the first one was a mistake. Did not mean to take it. But the second one, right, I accidentally entered in 10 micros. I don't know how I fucking doubled my thing, but I was like risking down here like $1,500. So right when I got the chance, got out of break even. That was just by accident. And then the second one entered in 5 micros, which is the correct contract size. Longed about right here. Stop loss under this fair value gap, this 5-minute fair value gap, okay? Because you look at the 1 minute, right? 1 minute looks absolutely garbage, okay? But the 5 minute's clear, okay? And where we're drawing to, okay? So targeting these equal highs, yes, it is a big move, but you know this is solid RR for my model, so targeted that high, and this would have been my break even. It would have been break even no matter what, but as you can see right here, I wasn't really planning on this to be I was planning on this to be my break-even point, and as you can see, it did hit and we did continue lower, so this would have been break-even no matter what. But I already took break-even at this point. Okay, we were right here, 5 minutes, 10 o'clock hit, right, and we were down. So I waited for this push up, went to break-even instantly because Powell and Trump were speaking. So in just fucking 25 minutes of chop, like, I just don't want to see that, right? So got out of break-even, made the smart choice to do so. When I get in a trade, I want to see it move. I don't want to sit in there and just fucking wait and chop and shit for 30 minutes. So got out. We were literally just sideways after tapping into this 5-minute BISI. As you can see, it continued higher. Never hit my take profit. That's fine though. We had, you know, the right kind of direction in mind. So this is a solid trade, solid bias. Swept a lot of the liquidity, short-term targets I had. And as you can see right now, we're just kind of going in some search and destroy conditions. This is shit. We're just ranging back and forth, so you don't want to really be trading this. But to be honest, right now, still pretty bullish. We're just engineering a bunch of buy side at these highs up here. But yeah, man. Just first 2 trades on the account right there. Nothing was taken on my funded accounts, as you can see. So yeah, man. Really just trying to get used to this model. It's just going to take time. And yeah, man, hopefully y'all boys enjoyed today's video. And if y'all want to look into the Discord, everything will be left down in the description. Hope y'all boys have a blessed day. Peace out.